In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable streamer mode on Discord. If you live stream, record your screen, or share your desktop. Streamer mode is a simple way to protect your privacy while keeping Discord open. When it's on, Discord can hide sensitive details like account info and invite links, and it can mute pop-up notifications and sounds that might distract your viewers. Think of it as a safety switch that keeps your on-screen experience clean and professional without making you dig through a bunch of menus every time you go live. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The process is the same and the settings live in the same place. Make sure you're signed in and the main Discord window is in front of you. Now look to the bottom left corner of the window. Next to your username, you'll see a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that gear to open your personal settings. This is where Discord stores all of your account preferences, including the controls for streamer mode. Inside the settings, you'll see a list of categories running down the left sidebar. Scroll if you need to, then find the section called App Settings. Under App Settings, click Streamer Mode. That will open a page dedicated to streaming privacy and behavior. At the top of this page, you'll see the option to enable streamer mode. Toggle that on. The switch will change color to confirm it's active, and you may notice a brief banner or indicator letting you know streamer mode is now enabled. From this point on, Discord will mask sensitive elements and reduce interruptions while you're on screen. A few quick notes to help you feel confident it's working. With streamer mode enabled, Discord focuses on privacy and clarity. It can hide personal details, blur or remove invite codes, and keep notifications from popping up at the worst moments. You don't need to tweak anything else to get basic protection. The main toggle is the key. If you reopen Discord later, your choice is remembered, so you won't have to repeat this every time unless you turn it off. If you use broadcasting software, you'll see additional options on this page that relate to streaming workflows. We're not changing those here, but it's useful to know they exist, especially if you want streamer mode to kick in automatically when your streaming tools are running. That's it. You've enabled streamer mode quickly and safely. Keep it on whenever you're sharing your screen, and you'll avoid accidental reveals and noisy interruptions while you stream or record. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more private Discord experience.